we're going to make a carne asada. So the first ingredient you're going to need is 1/3 cups of olive oil, a 1/2 cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 fresh squeezed lemons, 3 cloves of garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/3 teaspoon of pepper, and also a bunch of cilantro. And as you can see here, we have other ingredients. So we're also going to make a salsa verde, which will be in a separate video. All right, let's get started. All right, now that that's done, make sure to cover it up and get ready to put it in the fridge for about 4 hours, if not more. Abracadabra, and then next clip it's cut, you know?